Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei Nova 10 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So first let's start with the question on why your phone is slow. Basically it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. This is either because the phone is not powerful enough to do what you want it to do, or because you are not taking good care of it. So you should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic. But despite the above, if you follow the instruction I'm about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition, so let it work its best. So first aspect that can slow down your system is memory. The onboard memory of a device is a limited resource. Often the winner is the one who invests in a device with a more built-in memory, and the whole point is the device with full built-in memory begins to slow down. It's always a good idea not to fill the built-in storage more than 70%. So the first step to speed up your device is to free up memory. In order to free up space in your internal memory, you can delete unused applications, or for example upload all your photos and videos to the cloud storage. For example, open your settings, find here apps. Here you will see apps button, and here you will see all your applications. And for example, you don't use crazy cooking. It contains 200 megabytes of memory. So just click uninstall it, click uninstall, and great. Of course, you can free up your space by deleting photos and videos from your device. So I suggest you make a backup of your media using cloud storage. You can use Huawei Cloud. It's cheap and it's really good works. For example, I have no I have no edit account here. But you can use Huawei Cloud. You can buy 5 gigabytes for $1. In Huawei Cloud, you can buy 200 gigabytes only for $10 or $5, and you can buy 2 terabytes only for $15. So it's really good price. Of course, you can use free disk spaces. For example, Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free. So I suggest you use Mega 2. And great. So you can just free up your space, deleting your photos and videos from your memory and uploading it to cloud storage. Cool. The second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is a lack of RAM. All the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winners is the one who bought a device with more temporary storage. The RAM can be freed by unloading the running applications or by disabling the background work of the applications. In order to unload the memory of running application, just swipe your finger up and unload unused applications. Great. And the third aspect that slows down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operation system litter, leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program which will detect these files. I advise you use built-in program. Here is security app. just open Optimizer app, and click Cleanup. And as you can see, I have 100 megabytes of junk files. So tell me in comments how many megabytes of junk files you have in your device. So just click Cleanup, and as you can see, 135 megabytes are cleaned up. And of course, you can optimize your RAM using Optimize button. It's a good way to clean up your storage too. And great, of course, you can speed up your device using performance mode. To open this mode, open settings, then click battery and choose performance mode. Performance mode, it's a good way to optimize settings to deliver maximum performance of your processor. Power consumption and device temperature will increase. You need to remember it, you need to know it. And when you're using performance mode, your device is running really well, really good. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.